English tip by tip.
Tip 79.
The many paths to family.
A family is formed through a combination of factors including marriage, cohabitation, biological birth, adoption, and the creation of a strong emotional and social connection between individuals. Marriage, a legal and social union, a common way for individuals to form a family. It often involves a commitment to share a life together and raise children. Cohabitation, a couple living together without being legally married, can also lead to the formation of a family unit. Biological birth, having children, either through natural conception or assisted reproductive technologies, is a primary way for couples to form families. Adoption, adopting children, whether infants, toddlers, or older children, establishes a familial relationship that can be just as strong as a biological relationship. Tip 79. Exercise. Fishing. My family will come for Christmas. They are married. They live together since last year. The birth wasn't difficult. Adopting was my best decision.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.